Thank you. Thank you very much. I'd like to introduce the color of the day, gold. Gold is a color, an element, and a metal. Sometimes gold is used to make things, and some things are naturally golden, like golden pears. There is gold jewelry. There is gold in electronics. There are golden seahorses. Once upon a time, there were gold treasures. Popcorn kernels are golden. Sometimes artists like Gustav Klimt use gold. There are golden mongooses. There is golden beryl. There are golden aquatic snails. There are golden retrievers. There are golden birds. There are golden awards for filmmakers and musicians. There are golden frogs. There is golden armor. There are golden fish. Some honey is golden. There is golden squash. Oh, that's right, gold is used in spacesuits. There are golden jackals. King Tut's famous coffin is made of gold. There are golden beetles. There are golden wheat fields. Kintsugi uses gold. There are golden monkeys. There are golden moles. Some people even put gold on their food. And there are golden eyelash snakes. Many places of worship are golden, like the Iglesias de la Compañía in Ecuador, the Golden Temple in India. The Dome on the Rock in Jerusalem is gold-plated. The Shwedagon Pagoda in Myanmar is gold-gilded. The Spanish synagogue in Prague is adorned with stunning gold details. The Kinkakuji Temple, or the Golden Temple in Japan, is covered in gold leaf. The golden rule is to treat others how you want to be treated. The golden rule crosses many faiths and philosophies, so please, please, please be kind. There is golden sand. There are golden beets. The Nobel Prize Award is gold. Some people have gold teeth. There are golden spiders. Amber is a golden fossilized tree resin. There are golden mushrooms. Sometimes there's a golden sky. The World Cup trophy is golden. There are Byzantine mosaics with gold tiles. Midas has a golden touch. There are gold Olympic medals. The Hall of Mirrors in Versailles is covered in gold. And there are golden bats. Goodbye!